Hello guys, today I would like to show you how to fake the PayPal account. Let's see together. This is the problem that I need to fake. Submit info to access your funds. To continue having access to your funds, you will need to submit the info we have requested, so that you must provide the information. Right now, let's click the option. You see here, right? We need some information from you. Let's scroll up a little bit. Only one problem that you need to do, or you must do: upload a photo ID. Click the option resolve. Scroll up a little bit. And then let's go to this box. Document type. There are 3 types of documents, like passport, driver license, and your own national identity card. So that this account I have been created with the national identity card, so that I need to click this option, right? And then let's go to the second box, add a file here. I would like to go to my photo library because the document I have been kept in that option. Let's go. Wow, the file is bigger than the size that has been required, so that I need to edit more. Right now I would like to add a file again. I need to add more file, right? There are 2 files that I have been added. Scroll up. Let's go to the option submit. You see here, right? Your information has been submitted. Let's go to the option, go to account limitations. Yes, you see here, right? Has been submitted.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more.